I hope you're having a nice day. Today, our recipe is going to be one that was started over a year ago, and it's the vanilla. Remember, we used vodka and vanilla beans. They have been sitting together for now over a year. Actually, it's about a year and a week, and I'm just putting them in putting in little bottles, and then we'll give to my family and friends. I tease about their Christmas, but Christmas come back. And I have been using it, and it is wonderful. I'm so proud of it. It's just one of those things that turn out much better than you thought it was going to. And you can see what color it is. And I'm putting about a third of a vanilla bean in with it. So if anybody, the one person that gets it, they can add to it if they want to. Now the recipe that I was going by, they give you a 1, 2, and 3. This is 1. Now, if you want to, you can do 2, 3, whatever. I think the people that sell it pretty much go for 1 because they can sell it cheaper, quicker. See? Very easy to. About once a month or every 2 weeks, I kept this cabinet here. If I was going to the cabinet, I always shook it, gently, and you just keep it mixed. Like I said, I'm very proud of it, and right now smelling it is, if you love vanilla smells, you would love this. The funny thing is, I'm not really a vanilla smell person. I'm not going to let you have to sit here and watch all these. But I did want you to see how well they have turned out. I'm very proud of them. And I would give you one if you were here. So drop by anytime. I just put vanilla in 2023. So I'm sure the way it's going down, I have 8 bottles, and what I have left, I'm going to put in a bigger bottle for myself and my daughter. We both use a lot of vanilla. And if someone gives her another big bottle of vodka, who knows? We may start another one. Oh, well. Anyway, I hope you have a good day. I wanted you to see the likes of this. And thanks for putting up with me doing it. I hope you try it because honestly, I'm very proud of it. See you soon. Take care of yourself. And remember the joy.